Welcome to Kente TV. My name is Benedict, aka Karanaza. I'll be your host, taking you through this segment, Street Vox, where we get the opinions and honest takes of the people of Ghana on trendy issues and topics. But before we get into it, I want you, yes you, watching me, subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the notification button, like, and please leave a comment. Let's get into it. On today's episode of Street Vox, we will be asking the people, do you think spending money on funeral is a waste? Let's get interactive. All right, boss. My name be Ben.
Okay, my name be Mohammed.
Mohammed.
Yeah.
Mohammed, I beg, the question of the day today be, do you think funeral is a waste of money?
Yeah, as for we the Muslims, I would say yes, because we the Muslims, when somebody died in our as a Muslim, I think the only thing we do is we quickly go and bury the person, and then that is it.
So you think what other religions practice, where they bury people, they go do funerals and all of that, buy coffin, and you think it's a waste of money?
Yeah, someone I would say yes and no, because that is their culture. You know, we have different cultures in Ghana. Me, I'm talking of my culture as a Muslim, and that is their culture as a Christian. But for me, in my opinion, I think it's a waste of money. Yeah.
Good day, sir. My name is Ben.
Okay, my name is Prempe.
Prempe?
Yeah.
Prempe, okay. Mr. Prempe, please, the question of the day is, do you think funeral is a waste of money?
Yeah, my take on it is quite, I would say, demeaning, because somehow it's something that, I hail from the Ashanti region.
Okay.
And the prominence we give to funerals are very, 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 the prominence we give to funeral is so unique.
Okay.
Yeah, that's our tradition.
Okay.
But I cannot just talk for the other regions.
Okay.
But in my hometown, or where I hail from,
yeah,
we observe it with all due or in all high esteem.
Okay.
So, but the demography is not the same. People are very resourceful. Okay. They can perform the funeral to a certain height or a standard. Others too are not resourceful. They will perform it to a certain height. But my general view on it is wasting money on it is quite, demeaning, or not that, it doesn't make sense,
okay,
right? But we say we should worship the dead, or worship the living as we are living. Yeah. So it is a two different developments that people will have diverse ideas and meaning or opinions to it. But we have to respect each other as one. That's what I can say for now.
My name is Ben.
My name is Aaron. Aaron.
Aaron, the question of today is, do you think spending money on funeral is a waste?
No, it's not a waste.
Why do you say that?
You have to spend money on the person so that you get a return on it.
So you get a return. In what means? In what means?
Because nowadays, if you don't have money, you can't do a funeral. You can't do a funeral. That is why there is insurance always for you. So you need to have a life insurance, so that in future when something happens, you can spend and make money. The insurance will come back on your side, and they will give you money. You can also make money from out of the funeral that you are going to do. Okay, so it's not a waste. Doing insurance is not a waste.
Okay, so your take is based on insurance purposes. So okay, so what if the person doesn't have insurance?
That one is a choice. If maybe the person have money from somewhere, he decide to do his own something. But I think spending money on funeral is not a waste.
Ben, what's your name?
My name is Africa Woman.
Africa Woman. Yeah. I like that name. All right. Please, question of the day.
Yeah.
We're asking, do you think the money spent on funeral is a waste?
It's a big waste.
Why do you say so?
Why should you waste money on somebody who is dead whilst people are there suffering? The same family. You'll be in a family, whilst there will be a need, they will not gather money to support you. But when somebody died, they can go and take a loan and bury that person and then make a feast. It's nonsense.
It's nonsense.
Yeah,
so you think
it's nonsense.
So you think spending an amount of money on funeral shouldn't even be done?
It shouldn't even be done. That's why I like the Muslim burial. When they die, that day, they buried, and that's okay. A little food to those who comes, and then that's all. But to make a buffet, to make a party, to make this and that, to take a funeral cloth, it's not necessary. It's waste of money.
Nancy yekosie obi anase yebusuani bi wu anase yenimobi a wewu a yekosie na yeboka we yie hu na se wodwen se sika ne yeboka we yie hu ne ewu hia se wose yeboka sa sika ne we yie hu ana
hia chuchu blema ke agbo akọ mama ahe ni bi ni hebese na mo ke acha hu ochi enyo afumo Iwo hia ni biani ke moko gbo aba akọ mama ke aba chekocha Friday wo ba he mama aba funle Saturday wo ba he mama hogba wo ba he mama hia ke shika ko ye ni mo tasha ke han le ni eye hia wo biani boni gbele eyo ke boni wo fi ahunto moko ye ya fashika ni ka he mama ya fashika ni ke fe yala be se mi agblale Ewo ba akpafai ko nu wo chake bonu wo ya le
se sika a yeboka ewo eyie hu eyie so obi woni eyie amana wo hwa ewu hia anase ewu hia
Onipa no wewu dada Onipa na wewu no okwe so okọ na asumdwe mu so okọ na ahoyira mu ye nim Yanso de ya sika ni ede anu anuane akese ene yete woni yedi ni ani age enye nka ne ebehia ne se ebi ahwowo beba enti ya ye dokuru bi ana bibi yan kro mu pa kura mpodie anka da funu da ho mpodie yan nu aduane yan soja ewo fie ho
acho ekro ben
ekuapemfo Eda funu da wo pa funu awu pa efie ho de ye nua aduane wo ensi sese ni amani na sei asesa wanwu entino aye kan de enhu hia sanke ye beboka ye twa ntoma ye yes enhu hia
ye from Ben now say
means your friend Antiama
okay
Your friend Antiama Apicals Multiplication and Degrees.
That's it. Your questions got crazy. See, all right. But your first question is a year you say sika ye no. E won hia anase won hia.
Oh, me da ses wo bisa. A year dear. Me feel say won hia. Me fam dia e won hia. Die enti e won hia ne say me fa ne se bia na no dofo bi part wo te se bia ukunu ana maame na maame ewu a die enti na chese wonya yi wo beye na abere se de obesi aye no fi se wi asensa te anyina anyepe eye ne bi mo pagya ne kukuro enti wo behwe se de ba ne se abusuan ne ma ne tena se enti wo behwe se de me fa ne se monsa ana bia sika amowo ene bi aye ne ntoto ya mo beye enkofa ka bebre emfama monye ne ku ha na mom na se moye ma mo hu se mo sie nipa no so ehun
all right man, that's it. So these were the opinions of the people on the streets. Let us know your opinion in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the notification button, like, and please leave a comment. Until next time.